Psalm 91 verse 7, 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. So I'm going to share these words as an exhortation for you that God will protect us all from our enemies, and that God is so amazing, and God is going to rescue us. Sometimes we doubt because we will think that we are defeated, but we are not defeated. We are victorious. And that God's words in Psalm 91:7 is so amazing, that 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. Nothing can hurt us, nothing can pierce us. No weapon formed that is against us shall prosper, because God is with us. God will give us victory, and that the enemy cannot come against us. The enemy can only watch us, and they cannot come against us, because we have God. God is on our side as always. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.